Morning everyone, class 12, subject business study, chapter 12. Today we will start a topic overview of redressal agency. Under this approach, a consumer file a complaint at three different levels. First is district form, second state form, and third national form या national level या national commission. So point number first, district form. District level. So under this approach, one president and two other members are involved. So district level, one president and two other members and two other members include, okay, and one should be woman. One member, yeah, one should be woman, okay. So under this point, one president work at district level and two another member, one is woman, and appeal appointment by state government, appoint by state government as per prescribed norms, and at district level claim cover up to 20 lakh rupees. So claim limit up to 20 lakh rupees at a district level, at a district form, and appeal at state level if consumer not satisfied at district level, state level. So again, in a district form, one president and two another member are included. One should be female, and second appointed by state government as per prescribed rules and regulation, and claim limit up to 20 lakh rupees, and appeal against district level. So file the case at a state form, या state level या state commission, okay, state commission. Second, district form या district level. Second category, state commission, state commission oblique state level. Again, president and minimum two other members, same situation, president and other two members, okay, one should be woman, okay, and appointment of this person by state government, appointed by state government, okay, and claim up to 1 crore rupees but not exceed, claim up to 1 crore rupees satisfied at state commission level. Clear? So district form है district commission and state commission here state level, and third, file the complaint at a national level. So if a consumer not satisfied at a district form and state form, so he filed a case at National Commission, public national level. Clear? Okay. Under this National Commission, again, president and minimum four other members are include president and other four members include in this approach at a national commission and appointment by central government of India. This type of authority appointed the appointment by central government of India. Okay, if a consumer not satisfied at a state level, so claim exceed 1 crore rupees at a national level and appeal against at a Supreme Court. Appeal at a Supreme Court. Okay. So write down